The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, confirmed it will hold a special election in the 4th District of Cavite following the expulsion of ex-Representative Kiko Barzaga from the House of Representatives. R.R. Tobise has this report.
The COMELEC confirmed that it will hold a special election in the 4th District of Cavite following the expulsion of expelled Congressman Kiko Barzaga from the House of Representatives. According to COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia, the Commission is already discussing preparations for the election, including the date and the budget.
Gagastos po ang COMELEC ng mga 200 milyon para maisagawa ang halalan sa nag-iisang distrito ng Dasmariñas, Cavite. Diyan po kasi sa Dasmariñas, ang kabuuan ng mga ng voting population o yung botante ay 437,730.
The special election may be held on August 22 or August 29. The COMELEC is also targeting to hold it before September so it will not conflict with the BARM parliamentary elections and the barangay and SK elections in November. The COMELEC admitted that there is no allocated budget for the special election because it was not expected.
Muli po tayo susulat sa ating pong kagalang-galang na Pangulo, at least sa Department of Budget and Management, baka pwede kami mabigyan mula sa contingency fund ng budget para lang po maipang dagdag natin sa gagawin nating special election. Siyempre, hindi naman po namin ito kagustuhan din. Kaya lang, mandato po ito ni COMELEC na magsagawa ng halal. At mismo sinabi ng Supreme Court, lahat ng paraan ay dapat gawin ni COMELEC.
Garcia also clarified that Barzaga may still run in the special election. He said his expulsion was administrative in nature and is not equivalent to perpetual disqualification.
So ito po, walang nakalagay na ganong klase na karagdagang parusa. Kaya po, basta siya ay nag-comply sa age 25, natural-born Filipino citizen, marunong bumasa at sumulat. At the same time, siya ay yung sinasabing conviction ng crime involving moral turpitude, dapat po kinakailangan meron pong final judgment of conviction. Ibig sabihin, criminal ang nature. Ito po kasing expulsion ay administrative in character.
Garcia also stressed that the COMELEC does not need to wait for a formal notice from the House of Representatives before starting preparations for the special election. R.R. Tobise from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.